Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel where we have another Solana NFT project to talk about. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I basically make Solana NFT content, so if you enjoy this video and content, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below for more content like this. Also, let me know down in the comment section what you think of the project we're gonna talk about today, and also if there's any specific projects you want me to cover in the future. And before we jump into it, make sure to go and follow me over on Twitter as well. This is basically where I talk about my recent purchases, thoughts on different projects, everything like that before I'm able to do it here on YouTube. And the project we're gonna talk about today is actually Doge Capital, which as you can see I bought back in October 23rd. I was gonna do a video on this project before they even minted, but I must have forgotten or something like that. But this is Doge Capital. They have 14.6 thousand followers on Twitter, so a massive community. There's basically 5,000 unique generative dojis on Solana, and they're currently listed on like all of the major marketplaces like Magic Eden, SolanArt, Digital Eyes. And the floor is currently 1.89 Solana. The mint price of this project was 1 Solana, so it is still at a 2x since the mint. Right now it has retraced a little bit, but I still believe in this project long term, and we're gonna talk about that today because they do have some really cool long-term plans for this project. And the volume of this project just says a lot itself. 30,000 Solana volume, that's something that you only see on like the top projects. And right now, my own project, Blissful Bulls, has actually partnered with Doge Capital on an exclusive giveaway on the Doge Capital Twitter. So that giveaway link will be down in the description and you can go check it out yourself. But basically 14,600 Twitter followers and 21,000 members in their Discord, so just a massive community and a massive amount of people following this project. So as you can see, they actually minted 20th of October. The mint price was 1 Solana and obviously the floor is now basically 2. The total supply is 5,000 NFTs, and as you can see, they're on Digital Eyes, FTX, SolanArt and Magic Eden, so all of the biggest marketplaces on Solana currently. And they have also partnered with the WOOF token on a lot of stuff. They're giving away 500,000 WOOF tokens every single day to a random holder. This is currently worth like $1,250 because the WOOF token has been doing so well. The WOOF token, basically, if you don't know, is basically a meme coin, I would call it, on Solana, and it has been doing really well lately. I actually own some WOOF myself. I'm up like 200% on it. Not financial advice, of course, I'm just here to share some information, but it has been doing pretty well, especially in the last couple of days, as you can see right here. So they're doing daily giveaways of more than $1,000, so really cool. And Doge Capital is actually gonna launch their own token really soon too, so really exciting stuff. They have not announced any tokenomics or anything like that yet, but it's for sure coming and it's gonna be really exciting. And another massive thing they're doing is creating their own marketplace. They're also gonna introduce NFT staking eventually, where you can basically stake your NFT and earn their own token as passive income basically. And their DAO will also be live really soon. Basically, if we head over to their website, you can see Welcome to Woofers. Doge Capital is a collection of 5,000 cute 24x24 pixel art collection on the Solana blockchain. Holding a Doge Capital grants membership to the Woof Club and owner exclusive perks. Monkeys and apes have been having fun for too long, so we have decided to join them. And here you have the Woof DAO. The Woof DAO will allow Doge holders to make decisions on what to do with the assets in the Woof Bank. Fractionalize, giveaway, redeem for belly rubs, you name it. And then the Woof Bank is a vault where we will buy NFTs and other assets and securely store them for our community. Monkeys, birds, villagers, the possibilities are endless. Each Doge holder will truly own these assets. We will have periodic airdrops that gives fractionalized ownership of the Woof Bank assets. These airdrops would also entitle the holders to additional benefits in the Doge Capital ecosystem. In here we have the roadmap, so let's take a look at it real quick. We're in this for the long haul. We've set up some goalposts for ourselves. Once we hit a target sell-through percentage, we will begin to work on realizing the stated goal. So first we have buy dog food and feed some street dogs. We released the chained dogs. 10 Doges will be randomly airdropped to random Doge Capital holders. You have Woof Bank formation, 70% of royalties contributed to the Woof Bank. You have member exclusive merch drop. You have Woof DAO formation, 1 Doge equals 1 vote. And then at 90%, you have used 5% of sales to buy floor Doges, then let Woof DAO decide what to do with them. For example, burn them to make the collection deflationary or start a liquidity pool to stabilize the price. And then at 100% you have we will buy a floor Solana monkey business plus Dugbird plus more to be added, and let WolfDAO decide what to do with it, for example fractionalize it or do a single giveaway or hold. This will be the beginning of the Wolf Bank. 5% of initial sales will be added to the Wolf Banks as well. And then in stage 2 of the roadmap, they have start working on breeding and gamification. And then you have staking. Stake your Doge Capital NFTs to earn dog food token. This token will be backed by the assets in the Wolf Bank. Each dog food token represents a share in the Wolf Bank. This creates a floor price for the dog food token. Apart from representing a share in Wolf Bank, dog food tokens will also have other utilities in the Doge Capital ecosystem, like breeding, future drop access, payment for Doge Capital exclusive merch, etc. Number 3, you have airdrops with actual utility and game theory. And number 4, you have treasure hunt with a grand prize for the first ones to solve it plus more. So this is for sure a long-term project. The roadmap looks great. They have a lot of amazing plans. I really like the fact that they're making their own marketplace. If it's implemented in the right way, that could be a really cool thing. They also have the WolfDAO, of course. The Wolf Bank is a really cool concept. Their massive daily giveaways to holders is also amazing. So overall, I think Doge Capital is a great long-term project. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to share my opinions and thoughts. Do your own research and invest at your own risk. But Doge Capital is definitely one of the top projects on Solana at the moment, in my opinion. So yeah, there you go. Basically, that was Doge Capital. If you enjoyed the video and the project, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below for more Solana NFT content. Also, make sure to check out the giveaway that Blissful Bulls are doing with Doge Capital. Link will be in the description. Also, follow me on Twitter and comment down in the comment section what future projects you would like to see on the channel. And with that said, I hope you have a great day. I will see you guys later. Peace.